Hello class, my name is Oksana Valeda and today I'm going to be showing you guys a presentation about the life of tigers. Tiger breed and their subspecies. There are a total of 9 types of subspecies of tiger breeds. Currently, 6 of them are endangered and sadly 3 of them are now extinct. The remaining 6 subspecies are the Bengal, Indo-Chinese, South China, Amur, and Sumatran tigers. Tigers are one of the most awe-inspiring, courageous wild animals living today. Tiger subspecies and their habitats. The Bengal tiger, also called the Indian tiger or the Royal Bengal tiger, is native to the Indian subcontinent. Although it once roamed a much larger area, the Bengal is currently found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan. The Bengal tiger is on the endangered list. It's the most well-known breed of tiger and the largest tiger found in the wild. A male Bengal weighs between 397 and 569 pounds. The female is smaller, weighing between 220 and 350 pounds. The Indo-Chinese tiger. The Indo-Chinese tiger, also known as Corbett's tiger, is named in honor of the famous British hunter Jim Corbett, who was often enlisted to hunt down man-eating tigers and leopards early in the 20th century. The near critically endangered Indo-Chinese tiger is native to Southeast Asia, China, Thailand, Laos, Burma, and Vietnam. The Indo-Chinese tiger has narrow, single stripes. The male Indo-Chinese generally weighs between 331 and 430 pounds, where the female weighs between 220 and 290 pounds. The illegal trade of tiger parts, which are in high demand, is the main reason for a quickly dwindling Indo-Chinese tiger population. There are only around 300 to 400 Indo-Chinese tigers left in the world today. South China tiger. The South China tiger is also known as the Chinese tiger, is native to eastern and central China. However, one has not been spotted in the wild for decades. The South China tiger is one of the smaller tiger subspecies. A male South China tiger weighs between 287 and 386 pounds. The female weighs between 220 and 254 pounds. The South China tiger is critically endangered and facing possible extinction. Only 30 to 40 are known to exist in the world, and all are living in captivity. The Chinese government now works to protect the South China tiger. Currently, zoos in China and South Africa have breeding programs working hard to increase their numbers. Siberian tiger. The Siberian tiger, also known as the Manchurian tiger, Korean tiger, Amur tiger, or Assyrian tiger, is an endangered species that lives in northern Asia, China, Russia, and Korea. Although its territory was once much larger, even though the Bengal tiger is larger in the wild, the Siberian tiger often grows to be larger than the Bengal in captivity, making it the largest purebred cat in the world. The Siberian has a broad chest and large skull. Its thick fur, which protects it from the harsh winters of northern Asia, tends to be a less vibrant color of orange than other tiger subspecies. Sumatran tiger. The Sumatran tiger is the smallest tiger subspecies and lives on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. Because it lives only on an island, it has been isolated from other tigers. This has resulted in genetics that are different from its mainland cousins. The Sumatran is a critically endangered species. The stripes of the Sumatran are very dark and well defined. They cover the tiger's entire body, including its forelegs. Not all tigers have stripes on their front legs. The three extinct species of tigers: Caspian tiger, Bali tiger, the Javan tiger. Tiger adaptation. The tiger's adaptations of having nocturnal habits, striped camouflage, excellent vision and hearing, sharp teeth and claws, a flexible spine, and the ability to quietly and quickly pounce on a predator are the tiger's biggest advantages to remaining alive on our planet. The tiger's striped coat helps them blend in well with the sunlight filtering through the treetops to the jungle floor. The tiger's seamless camouflage to the surroundings is enhanced because the striping also helps break up their body shape, making them difficult to detect for unsuspecting prey. Eating habits for a tiger. Tigers are carnivorous mammals, and they mostly eat large prey like deer, wild boar, and elephant calves. And yes, they even occasionally been known to kill and eat people too. This usually only happens when a tiger is old, ill, or injured, and therefore unable to catch their normal prey. Tigers hunt alone rather than in groups. When the tiger cubs are a few months old, the tiger mother involves them in the hunting process, so they get trained at a very younger age. They get proteins from the animal fat. Tigers rely on their sight rather than the smell of their prey. They use their dark stripes on their skin as an effective camouflage to disguise themselves in the hideouts, especially among the long grass, where they resemble the vertical pattern of light and shade. This allows them to get very close to their prey without being detected before launching an attack. Hunting sometimes takes a toll on tigers. Tigers could get seriously injured during the process too if the prey attacks them back. Male and female tigers hunt differently. Female tigers hunt only within their territories, while male tigers hunt anywhere and anytime. Tiger reproduction. Sexual maturity. Females reach sexual maturity around 3 to 4 years of age, and males mature about 4 to 5 years of age. The estrus cycle. A female tiger may enter estrus, the time when a female is receptive and capable of conceiving young, every 3 to 9 weeks, and her receptivity lasts 3 to 6 days. Females advertise their readiness to mate. A few days before she enters estrus, the female will scent mark her range more frequently with a distinctive smelling urine. During estrus, the female may frequently vocalize through the day to attract males. Tigers usually begin their courtship by circling each other and vocalizing. Copulation is brief and repeated, frequently for 5 or 6 days. Female tigers are induced ovulators, which means the act of mating causes the female to release an egg for fertilization. Several days of mating interactions may be required to simulate ovulation and guarantee fertilization of the egg. Both male and female tigers may have several mates over their lifetime. On average, tigers give birth to 2 to 4 cubs every 2 years. If all the cubs in one litter die, a second litter may be produced within 5 months. Tigers generally gain independence at around 2 years of age. Interesting facts about tigers and their unique abilities. Tiger saliva has antiseptic properties. When tigers get bruised or wounded, they lick the affected area to disinfect and prevent any kind of infection, as their saliva is a natural wound antiseptic. This healing property comes from a special protein found in their saliva which quickens their recovery. There are more caged tigers than those in the wild. It's known that the U.S. has at least 5,000 to 10,000 captive tigers, while only 3,000 of its population lives free in the wild. A punch from a tiger may kill you. Tigers love to swim and play in the water. Tigers are nocturnal animals. Tiger's urine smells like buttered popcorn. Tigers imitate the call of other animals. Tiger interaction with humans. Tigers and humans have shared the earth for thousands of years. For a long time, humans have been in contact with these animals and have been able to interact. The relationship between the two species do not have a history of being close or friendly, but many people feel a deep admiration and devotion for tigers. It is no secret that tigers have killed more people than any other type of cat out there. However, we are the ones to continually invade their natural habitat and then complain when tiger attacks do occur. Most tigers will only attack a human if they cannot physically satisfy their needs otherwise. Tigers are typically wary of humans and usually show no preference for human meat. Although humans are relatively easy prey, they are not a desired source of food. The survival of these cats depend on humans. They balance the ecosystem, so we need tigers in nature. It is a matter of survival, respect, and why not love. Here is a short video clip about tigers.
With their signature orange fur and black stripes, tigers have become icons of beauty, power, and the importance of conservation. Tigers have evolved into 6 subspecies. The tiger's tale of evolution can be traced back to about 2 million years ago, when the earliest known tiger ancestor left Africa and ventured into Asia. Over time, the big cat split into 9 subspecies, with 6 still alive today. The most numerous subspecies is the Bengal tiger, accounting for approximately 50% of the tiger population worldwide. Tigers are the world's largest cats. On average, the big cats weigh about 450 pounds, but the largest is the Siberian tiger subspecies, measuring up to 13 feet long and weighing up to 660 pounds. This extra weight is primarily because of large, powerful muscles. Unlike lions, the second largest of the big cats, tigers have more muscle mass and are therefore heavier. Tigers have webbed toes. Often living near bodies of water, tigers have adapted for a semi-aquatic lifestyle. They appear to enjoy being in the water, unlike most cats, and are excellent swimmers, using their powerful muscles to propel their bodies in the water. They've also evolved to have webbing between their toes. The webbing allows the big cats to push around a greater volume of water with each stroke of their paws. White tigers are a type of Bengal tiger. The classic black and orange coloration of most tigers is caused by the pigments eumelanin, which turns fur black, and pheomelanin, which turns fur orange. The production of pheomelanin is triggered by the gene SLC45A2. White tigers carry a mutated version of this gene, which prevents them from producing orange pigmentation. Fewer than 4,000 tigers remain in the wild. At the turn of the 20th century, approximately 100,000 tigers roamed the wild, living as far west as Turkey and as far north as Russia. But due to deforestation, human development, and poaching, their range severely decreased, and within 100 years, the world's tiger population declined by about 96%. Over the past few decades, programs have been put in place to protect tigers and their habitats. With the help of the global community, tiger populations may slowly rebound.
I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation and learned more about tigers. I know I definitely have. The end.